Financial literacy is crucial for navigating personal finance. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their money, leading to greater financial well-being. Understanding budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management is essential for financial security. With rising living costs and economic uncertainties, having a solid understanding of personal finance can make a significant difference. Financial literacy provides the tools needed to manage money effectively. It enables individuals to create a budget, track spending, and make informed decisions about saving and investing. By understanding personal finance basics, individuals can avoid common financial pitfalls. Financial literacy empowers individuals to plan for the future and achieve financial goals. Budgeting is the cornerstone of sound financial management. It is the foundation upon which all other financial decisions are built. It involves tracking your income and expenses meticulously, ensuring that every dollar is accounted for. Allocating funds for essential needs such as housing, food, and utilities is crucial. Making conscious spending choices means prioritizing your needs over your wants and being mindful of your financial habits. A well-crafted budget serves as a roadmap for your finances, guiding you through each month and helping you avoid unnecessary debt. It helps you stay on track and achieve your financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or building an emergency fund. The first step in budgeting is to determine your income from all sources, including your salary, freelance work, and any other earnings. Once you have a clear picture of your income, you can move on to tracking your expenses. This means noting down every purchase, no matter how small. Tracking your expenses involves monitoring where your money goes, from daily coffee runs to monthly utility bills. Using tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps can make this process easier and more efficient. By understanding your income and expenses, you can create a budget that aligns with your financial goals, paving the way for a secure financial future. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can be quite straightforward if you follow a structured approach. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get started on the path to financial stability and peace of mind. 1. Calculate your income. Determine your total monthly income from all sources. This includes your salary, freelance work, side gigs, and any other income streams. 2. Track your expenses. Monitor your spending for a month, categorizing each expense. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. 3. Identify fixed and variable expenses. Separate your expenses into fixed and variable. Fixed expenses are those that remain constant each month, like rent or mortgage payments, while variable expenses can fluctuate, such as groceries and entertainment. 4. Set spending limits. Allocate a specific amount of money to each expense category. This helps you control your spending and ensures you don't overspend in any one area. 5. Prioritize savings. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense and automate regular transfers. This way, you're consistently building your savings without having to think about it. 6. Review and adjust regularly. Your budget should be a living document. Review it monthly or quarterly and make adjustments as needed. Life changes, and so should your budget. By following these steps, you can create a budget that helps you manage your finances effectively. A well-planned budget can reduce financial stress and help you achieve your financial goals. Remember, consistency is key to successful budgeting. Stick to your plan, review it regularly, and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. Tracking your spending is an essential aspect of budgeting. It allows you to see where your money is going and make informed financial decisions. There are various methods for tracking your spending, from pen and paper to budgeting apps. Budgeting apps can automatically track your spending by linking to your bank accounts and credit cards. Categorizing your expenses helps you see how much you're spending in different areas. By analyzing your spending patterns, you can identify areas to cut back and save money. Regularly reviewing your spending habits ensures you're sticking to your budget and making progress toward your financial goals. Identifying areas to cut back on spending is crucial for saving money effectively. Differentiate between needs and wants to prioritize your spending. Needs are essential expenses like housing, food, and healthcare. Wants are non-essential items like entertainment and dining out. By reducing spending on wants, you can free up more money for savings. Consider cooking at home, exploring free entertainment options, or finding cheaper transportation alternatives. Be mindful of impulse purchases and implement strategies to avoid them. Setting clear financial goals is essential for staying motivated and on track. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose focus and get sidetracked by day-to-day expenses and unexpected financial challenges. Financial goals provide a sense of purpose and direction. They act as a roadmap, guiding your financial decisions and helping you prioritize your spending and saving habits. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. This framework ensures that your goals are clear and attainable, giving you a better chance of achieving them. For example, instead of save more money, set a goal like save $5,000 for a car down payment in 2 years. This gives you a clear target to aim for and a timeline to keep you on track. Financial goals can be short-term, mid-term, or long-term. Each type of goal serves a different purpose and helps you manage your finances over different time horizons. Short-term goals are achievable within a year, like building an emergency fund. This fund can help you cover unexpected expenses without derailing your long-term financial plans. Mid-term goals span a few years, like saving for a home down payment. These goals require more planning and discipline but are crucial for achieving significant milestones. Long-term goals have a time frame of 5 years or more, like saving for retirement. These goals often involve larger sums of money and require consistent effort and investment over time. Regularly review and track your progress towards your goals, making adjustments as needed. This helps you stay on course and make informed decisions as your financial situation evolves. Saving money is crucial for building a secure financial future. It provides a safety net for unexpected expenses and helps achieve financial goals. One of the most important reasons to save is to build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a reserve of money set aside for unexpected expenses. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from going into debt during unforeseen circumstances. Saving money also allows you to achieve goals like buying a home or retiring comfortably. Automate your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking to your savings account. By automating your savings, you make it easier to save consistently. Investing is the process of putting your money to work for you. While saving involves setting money aside, investing involves putting money into assets that can increase in value. This could be stocks, bonds, or real estate. The goal of investing is to generate a return, either through capital appreciation or income generation. Investing is essential for building long-term wealth. While saving is important, it may not outpace inflation over the long run. Investing has the potential to generate returns that exceed inflation. However, investing involves risks, so it's crucial to invest wisely and diversify your portfolio. For beginners, navigating the world of investing can seem daunting. However, there are several beginner-friendly investment options available. One popular option is index funds, which track a specific market index. Index funds are low-cost and diversified, making them suitable for all experience levels. Another option is target date funds, which adjust asset allocation as you approach retirement. Target date funds are a set-it-and-forget-it investment option. Fractional shares allow investors to buy a portion of a share of stock. This is a good option for those who want to invest in high-priced companies, but lack the capital for a full share. Seeking professional advice from a financial advisor can be invaluable. If you're feeling overwhelmed by personal finance or investing, a financial advisor can provide personalized guidance. They can help you create a financial plan, develop a budget, and choose appropriate investments. Financial advisors are helpful for specific life events like buying a home or planning for retirement. Look for advisors who are fiduciaries, meaning they are legally obligated to act in your best interests. Professional advice can help you make informed financial decisions during crucial times. Financial literacy is about empowering yourself to make informed decisions. By embracing budgeting, saving, and investing, you can take control of your finances. Financial literacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Continuously seek to expand your financial knowledge and strategies. In an increasingly complex financial landscape, financial literacy is a necessity. Embrace financial knowledge to pave the way for a more secure and prosperous future.